Hello, everybody. If you're interested, Beck and I finished our test, and Lisa and Suzanne thought it might be a good idea to make this quick tutorial to make your lives a little bit easier. If you like this format, how we use these tables, totally up to you. You don't have to like it. You could go to File, make a copy, rename the test, and then just retype over our, not retype, but just type over our questions and put your stuff inside of the tables. Or if you want to add your own tables and start fresh and new, you would just go to Insert, Table, choose how many rows, choose how many columns, and insert your own table to type in. But again, that's totally up to you. You're more than welcome to use ours. From there, we used Kami to make the answer key. So if you're interested in that, what you would do is go to your extensions over here. It looks like this hammer. Open up Kami. Choose Google Drive. If you're forced to sign in, just sign in with Google if that happens. Choose your own account, obviously. You may have to allow Kami to connect, whatever you got to do, and then choose your test. You could search for your test, whatever you named it up here, or find it and double click on it. And now the test is in Kami. From here, I opened one that we already had in Kami, my bad. But from here, pretend these red answers aren't here, okay? You would go to text box to type text, and you could choose a color. We chose red. And then once you click, you can type in the box. Or you could go to the drawing tool, choose red, and too thick. You would go here, choose a thinner, and you could test out your skills here with the drawing tool if you prefer to use that. I'm going to just undo this before I forget. And then once you have your answer key all filled out, you can see Beck did this one. Once you have that all filled out, you can download it. But I just want to mention too, the equation options are here. If you go to the division sign and then the pi sign, you have all of these symbols here that you could insert as well. Or you could choose the fraction option, which is here, a over b. And then type in the fraction here. Whatever you want to do is up to you. And once it's done, you would go to download to your computer or your Google Drive. If you're on a desktop, you could choose your computer or Google Drive. Or if you're on your Chromebook, you could go right to Google Drive with annotations, because you want the annotations that you made, and begin export. And now it's saved. I'm on a desktop, so it's saved to my computer. Then I would go to Classroom. And once you go to classwork, you can see that Suzanne and Lisa has the grade levels listed here. You would go to create. I made it a material. Give it a title, third grade test for the test. I actually did third grade test and answer key. And then link, you could copy the link and paste it and add it that way. Or you could go right to Google Drive and find it here. Or you could search for it. I know I called ours something test A. And once it comes up, double click on it. And so here's one of the answer keys. Double click on it. Now I have test A and the test A answer key. Okay. And then post it. Actually, no, you want to add the topic, find your grade level, and then post it, and it'll go where it needs to go. All right. Hope this was helpful. Of course, reach out to me if you have any questions at all. And happy test making.